Hello, welcome to the magic of numbers and cards. In Introduction of Tarot, I've given you what is the meaning, what is the importance of tarot card. Today we are going to start with the number 0. Yes, in tarot card the number 0 is the card of the Fool. We start with 0. And this card is under the astrological sign of Uranus. As you know that Uranus is symbolizing independence and free spirit. Its chakra is crown. It is denoted by Hebrew letter Aleph. Its position in tree of life pathway is first. We all begin our life with 0. Yeah, don't laugh. I mean, here 0 is the egg. And the Fool is the cosmic egg. It symbolizes the cosmic egg, the beginning, the starting of the cosmic energy. He's an absolute beginner. He wants to explore the world, to gain experience, and leave behind no status. He's not worried about his status. He's worried about his life, the beginning, something new in his life. Therefore, he's both end and beginning in the card. As I said in my first lecture on tarot card, that it is an archetype, and now you all know that the meaning of the archetype is that the picture itself has the meaning. You can see the white rose in his hand. And as we all understand that white is the color for purity, for sacredness. He's carrying the bundle on his shoulder. In his bundle, he is carrying all 4 elements. Now, these elements are the 4 symbols of minor arcana. Now, these 4 symbols are, as we know, pentacles, wands, swords, and cups. All these are carried in his bundle. This he will carry and he will move forward and he'll give to the next one. That is the magician. The card of the magician, he will have all these 4 elements. You see the red robe which he is wearing. And as we know, the red color suggests energy. He's full of energy. He's full of spirit. There is a dog also, if you can see it properly. The dog is barking. That is, he's giving the warning that you are carefree, but look, there is a trench. Be careful. The whole card, if you see, is with glowing with a bright color, yellow color. This is an optimistic color. The color of optimism. So when we read card according to the question, always it has different meaning. Now, suppose we are reading this card for home. That means a surprise visitor or young visitor is going to come to the city. When we are reading this card for relationship, a new relationship is going to begin, because we already said that the card of Fool is the beginner. He's full of optimism. He's young. He just wants to go forward. He doesn't want to look back. Next, when we look according to the question, suppose it is related to the career and money. That means a new opportunity is on the way, or in your existing job, you are going to get promotion. So, dear friends, tarot card is a mystery, but it is the thing which is really can be seen by you. It's a pictoric. It has its pictures, and this pictures always shows you everything. So when any of person comes with a question for tarot card, we just make the spread and give the answers. I'm making more than 80 spreads because every question is related to something else. It has got a proper meaning. Suppose you're asking about the relationship, the ongoing relationship, of course. Then we make the spread of letter. Say it is your birthday, then we make the spread of birthday card. If you have one kid and you want to know about the kid, how his health will be, how his future, education, and so on, there is a card spread which is known as one kid spread. That's all for today. I'm sure you all might have enjoyed this. Have a good day. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. For other socials, the description is given in the description box. Thank you so much.